好，咁我哋開始講 example 8。今次呢一條例題同之前嘅有啲唔同，就係佢唔係俾個 wavefront 我哋，佢係直頭就咁俾啲 nodal line and anti-nodal lines 我哋。咁佢呢度就講咗啲 solid line 呢，就係啲 anti-nodal lines 嚟嘅，而啲 dotted line 呢，就係啲 nodal lines 嚟嘅，而 P 呢，就喺個虛線上面 ，Q 就係一條實線上面。咁 part A 佢就問我哋 what kinds of interference occurs at P and Q。因為佢話咗 P 係一條虛線，虛線係 nodal line 啊嘛，咁所以 P 就發生緊 destructive interference 啦，而 Q 呢就喺條實線上面啊嘛，咁所以呢 anti-nodal lines 就應該係 constructive interference 啦。咁佢嘅答案同我哋呢差唔多 ，P destructive Q constructive 都係用嗰啲 nodal line 同 anti-nodal lines 判斷嘅啫。跟住佢就俾咗 S1P 同 S2P 係15cm 我哋，跟住佢就叫我哋揾 wavelength lambda 喎。咁我哋可以回想翻到底呢啲 nodal lines 同 anti-nodal lines 同啲 lambda 有乜關係啦？我哋講個中間最直嗰條呢，就應該係個0 lambda 嘅 constructive 嚟噶嘛。咁左右兩邊呢，就應該係1 lambda 啦，而再外面嘅呢，就應該係2 lambda。至於啲 nodal lines 中間靠兩邊嗰兩條呢，就應該係半 lambda，再外面嘅呢，就應該係1.5 lambda。好，其實我長氣啫，你唔使用晒咁多條嘅，我哋揾 P 點嘅 path difference 做就 OK 噶啦。所以1.5 lambda 等於 S2P 減 S1P， 1.5 lambda 就等於15減12，咁 lambda 就等於2cm。係咯，佢用個 path difference 等於 3cm，3cm 等於1.5 lambda，lambda 等於2cm。Part C 果然出現了。What happens to the separation between the antinodal lines if some water is removed from the ripple tank？ 抽水？咁即係點啊？抽走啲水呢，就真係令到淺水咗。記唔記得我講過越淺越短啊？而我哋講過 wavelength 越短呢，啲 antinodal lines 同埋 nodal lines 呢就會越密噶嘛，即係呢啲相交嘅地方出現得更加密集啊。所以啲 nodal lines 嘅 separation 或者 antinodal lines 嘅 separation 呢就會縮窄啦。咁 solution 都係先解釋咗話佢個 wavelength 會下降啦。我哋有講到越短越慢啊嘛，咁所以應該係 wave speed 都一齊下降嘅。咁當然你答題嗰陣時咧就唔使好似佢咁畫翻呢兩幅圖出嚟啦，但係我哋都提翻你呢，就話啦 antinodal lines become closer to each other 啦。好啦，跟住問多一樣好特別嘅嘢啦。如果而家嗰兩個 wave source 佢哋天生係 vibrate 緊 anti-phase 嘅，即係我整波峰啊，你整波谷，咁會發生咩事呢？中間嗰條原本咪 constructive 嘅，點解啊？因為咧距離相同啊嘛，所以左邊整出嚟嘅波峰原本同右邊整出嚟嘅波峰咧係會一齊到達嘅。咁但係而家佢講到話嗰兩個 source 如果係 anti-phase 嘅話咧，同時間大家左邊整波峰，右邊整波谷嘅時候，咁隔咗一陣咧，佢哋咪會同時到達去到中間呢條直線嗰度。咁所以波峰遇到波谷或者 anti-phase 相遇嘅話，係咪會發生 destructive 啊？所以原來成個圖像嘅形狀冇變，但係所有 nodal lines 同埋 anti-nodal lines 咧就交換位置。原本係0 lambda 嘅地方，因為而家兩個 wave source 天生 anti-phase。path difference 係0嘅地方咧，就反而發生 destructive。path difference 係半 lambda 0.5 lambda 嘅地方咧，就反而發生 constructive。因為雖然兩邊 source 咧有0.5 lambda 嘅 path difference，但係嚟到呢度咧，我整個 crest 同原本雖然你同我同時整 trough， 但係隔咗半個 period 你係整翻 crest 噶啦嘛，大家就會同時到達，咁所以咧就會發生翻 constructive。呢條就係一條 anti-nodal line。咁就好似原本嗰個圖像嘅 nodal lines 同埋 anti-nodal lines 嘅角色全部交換晒咁樣，呢個就係如果兩個 source 係 anti-phase 所發生嘅事啦。